it's 8 people, right? 8 people in the world, right, that got more money than the 7 billion people on the planet. We all put our money together.
Yeah.
It couldn't equal up to the amount of money that they got.
Yeah.
Or the 400 million people in America. If we put all our money together, it would never equal up to just the 8 people that control the world.
You gotta think, 400 million people. If all you had was $1, that alone is $400 million.
Yeah. But imagine the people that got a few million dollars.
Yeah, a few million,
a few hundred
a few
thousand,
100,000,
tens of thousands, or
right.
hundreds of dollars. But if we put all us together, we still don't have more money than these 8 people.
Because isn't it
They're the elites.
Isn't it like a select number of people that run everything, like the TV stations, the food chains, this, that? I thought it was like somewhere between like 6 to 8 different families or something. Shit
no,
like
it's
that.
13 families.
13. That's what
the
it was.
13 bloodlines. The Rockefellers, the DuPonts, and all of that.
Rothschilds.
Bilderbergs, Rothschilds, all of them. Yeah, and yeah, man, they control everything. You know, I don't see how people can own whole towns. Like, that's crazy when you got poor people out here. You know what I mean? You got people that's homeless that need a place to stay. Why can't you just see a piece of land that's not being used? Look at all that land that's on the side of I-95 when you're riding out of town. You mean to tell me we're not allowed to get a piece of that?
That's what they say. And if you're trying to set up shop right there, even if you put a tent out there that's too luxurious, they'll come and either tear that bitch down or tell you that you got to tear it down. And if you build a house in that motherfucker, if they don't fucking come knock it down, they're sure as hell gonna start taxing you for staying on that joint. But like, that's another thing. You know how many bandos are in this city that aren't being used, and that they're just eventually like, and they won't let you stay in there. They will not let homeless people stay in there. But yet nobody owns it. Nobody wants to own it. And instead of letting somebody get out of the fucking cold that's not disrupting anybody, we're just gonna let it stay empty. And then we got Hopkins over here buying out all the lots. They bought out that whole apartment complex. I forget what it was called, the one right down here. Like, yo, you know how many homeless people that was housing? Actually, there was a whole apartment complex, all abandoned, housing tons of people that were homeless. They knocked that down for whatever campus they're setting up right there, and then they're about to do it again with some other stuff.
Yeah, but you know what? You know, this is wild, right? This is crazy because how can I put it? You know what? Honestly speaking, I hate to say this, and most people are probably gonna get mad at me in the comment section, but when it's freezing cold out here, I would squat. I would go squat in the house. I mean, if you got a house that's already, you know, that's insulated and have electricity in it and stuff